Most people are using AI completely wrongly. They open ChatGPT or Claude or Grok or Perplexity and ask random questions, generate some content, and think they are using AI product. That's like buying a supercomputer just to use the calculator app. At Agami Technologies, we use AI every single day to build SaaS products, automate workflows, speed up development, create a content, analyze data, and improve operations. And in this video, I'll show you the biggest AI productivity workflows that actually matter. No fluff, no hype, just practical systems. Let's begin. So the first section is AI is not a chatbot. What does this mean? The biggest mindset shift, right? AI is not just a chatbot anymore. It's becoming a co-worker, an analyst, a researcher, a content assistant, a developer, an automation engine. Most people still use AI like Google search, but productive people use AI like an operational system. That's the difference. Instead of asking what is marketing, you should ask, create a complete outreach strategy for my SaaS business targeting mortgage brokers. Context changes everything. The better the context, the smarter the output. AI productivity starts with context. Here's what most people don't understand. AI becomes powerful when it understands your business, your documents, your goals, your systems. That's why tools with memory, projects, connectors, and integrations are becoming incredibly important. For example, at Agami, we work across mortgage tech, healthcare, SaaS, edtech, AI systems, and so many other platforms. So context matters massively. AI without context is just guessing. Let's move on to the next section. Use AI for repetitive thinking. The biggest productivity gains come from removing repetitive thinking, not repetitive clicking. There's a difference. For example, AI can help summarize meetings, generate documentation, draft emails, analyze spreadsheets, create reports, organize research, generate workflows. Uh, it can also help you in create specifications. So this alone can save hours daily. And the most important part, humans still make decisions. AI accelerates execution. So you have to understand this. AI plus human loop. A lot of people say AI will replace everyone. No. AI without human intelligence create average output. The future belongs to people who know how to combine AI, systems, strategy, domain expertise, execution. And at Agami Technologies, we still heavily rely on architecture thinking, domain knowledge, operational understanding, product experience. Because these things cannot be done by AI. AI helps us move faster, but humans still guide the direction. The companies winning with AI are not removing humans. They are amplifying skilled people. AI productivity workflows. Here are some practical AI workflows anyone can start using immediately. Workflow one is meeting intelligence. Record meetings, transcribe them. You can use tools like TurboScribe, Ask AI to summarize, extract action items, identify risks, generate follow-up emails. Huge productivity gain. And we use this every time at Agami Technologies. Workflow 2, AI research assistant. Instead of manually researching, ask AI to compare competitors, summarize markets, identify trends, generate insights. Massive time save. Workflow 3, documentation automation. AI is incredibly good for SOPs, specifications, onboarding documents, product documentation. This is one of the biggest hidden productivity wins. And I'll have to tell you that Claude is far better, when it comes to documentation or even presentations. Workflow 4, AI assisted development. This is something which we use a lot at Agami Technologies. AI can generate boilerplate, explain code, debug issues, accelerate development. But strong developers still matter because architecture, security, and scalability still require experience. Workflow 5, AI content systems. You can use AI to generate ideas, create outlines, repurpose content, create posts, summarize videos. But again, human creativity still matters. The next section is AI agents and automation. The next evolution is AI agents, not just chatbots, agents. Systems that can perform tasks, interact with applications, analyze information, trigger workflows, automate operations. This is where AI becomes truly transformative. Imagine AI monitoring operations, AI analyzing customer behavior, AI assisting sales teams, AI handling repetitive workflows. That's where the world is heading. And honestly, most businesses are not prepared yet. Moving on to the next section, biggest mistake people make. The biggest mistake, people focus too much on tools instead of systems. The tool matters less than the workflow, the process, the operational design. AI tools will keep changing, but productivity systems stay valuable. That's why business should focus on how do we operationally use AI, not what the latest AI app. What is the latest AI app?
As you can see, tasks completed rose to 1,248, saving us over 128 hours.
So what's the future? The future is not AI replacing everyone. The future is small teams achieving massive output. People with strong thinking, operational knowledge, communication skills, AI workflows will outperform much large organizations. And this is only the beginning. AI today is probably the worst it will ever be again, which means the people learning this now will have a huge advantage later. If you learned something from this video, start small. Don't try to automate your entire life tomorrow. Pick one workflow, one repetitive task, one operational problem, and improve it using AI. That's how real productivity compounds. And if you want more videos around AI workflows, SaaS systems, AI automation, operational intelligence, AI assisted development, please subscribe to the channel.